Welcome, my friends. Hi, this is Rozani. Welcome back. Let's make some spooky spoon bottle stoppers. Please do not use on open beverage containers that are filled with liquid. Thank you. Here are the supplies that you'll need to get started. With this easy papier mâché or paper mâché method, you can use some ice cream spoons, a small wooden spoon, one or more, some liquid starch, paper napkins, a pencil, pen, or a marker. And please let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these supplies. Let's keep going. This will be simple and easy. I'll start you off with one little spooky spoon. Now tear off a piece of napkin, crumple it, and dampen it with liquid starch. And cover the spoon completely. Be sure to add bulk in these areas. Once these are pressed into place, set it aside to dry. This is your base. Here I'm creating a rough textured surface, and when it's dry, you can illustrate on it. Make sure that it'll fit inside the bottleneck, and use any type of empty bottle or container that you may like. Add more if necessary. If it's fine, allow it to dry. Now it doesn't have to dry all the way because I want it to be a little soft. Here's an easy way to get started. Draw a few lines and press some indentations. Use these as a guide where you will later place your features. Similar to these. I find skull faces easy to do, but you can make any type of creature face. And remember, you can make more than one. And yes, you could still see the pencil marks even though it's damp. And here I'm dipping the pencil into the liquid starch and making a few indentations. After it dries completely, then it'll be hard enough to go in with some darker details, and I could use a pen or a marker, and of course paint. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm pleased with these outlines. I think they'll serve me well. So let's move right along. Okay, so this will be set aside to dry. I filled in the head a little bit more and added a few details. Now here's another example. This one is nearly completed, but not quite. It sort of has a happy expression. It's just a matter of choice. I like to experiment with different expressions, and you can do the same. Don't forget to sculpt on the back and add on, like I'm doing here with the sinister one. Explore the possibilities and give this a try. Just use a little bit of liquid starch and some paper napkins. Thanks so much for being here with me. And I hope to see you next time for more fun-filled and spooky Halloween creations. Bye for now.